Hi everyone, my name is Chris Quintana. Today I will be talking about the Ukraine government and the healthcare. I chose Ukraine because it's a developing country as far as healthcare. It is a country that offers free healthcare. However, there's a lot of expenses entailed to that free incentive. In reality, there's free healthcare for its citizens and long-term residents who become ill. However, this is a serious problem for many parts of the country because doctors' wages are very low and they always ask for a fee on top of the medical attention or care. This makes healthcare difficult as many citizens have low income there and jobs are really scarce there. About me, I'm from Las Vegas, New Mexico. I graduated at Robertson High School. I've been familiar with part of some construction field as well as personal care and home health care. I'm really interested in home health care because I like to help people and I like to see a difference in someone's life. And I will also be graduating in spring 2018 from New Mexico Highlands with a concentration in marketing. So my parents are actually in the home healthcare field as well. I've helped them to create the pages for quality care. It is a personal care agency, non-medical. Anyone receiving Medicaid here in Las Vegas, New Mexico, and surrounding areas, they help those people, and they'll send caregivers out to tend to their needs. If this includes hygiene, going to the store, picking up medications, um, basically any daily task or any assistance they may need through the day. So in detail about Ukraine, basically in reality the system is underfunded and very corrupt. Basically, if you have money and if you have the resources, you will get the care. Patients end up paying for almost everything: drugs, examinations, doctor time, hospital stays, even other little things like washing powder, soap, and paper towels. These are all covered under the expense of their stay and their medical care. And according to recent polls, more than 90% of Ukrainians were unable to afford treatment because of high prices and wages. So Ukraine, on the number of doctors, they do really well. They have the most per capita in European countries. However, healthcare in Ukraine is funded almost entirely by general government revenues. This fund makes up 7.4% of the fund. 3.2% of the fund is made up by social insurance contributions from the wages of the employed, and 3.3% is funded by private clinics and their patients. So, like I said before, their healthcare is free. However, there are some incentives or taxes, like taxes will provide aid for medical expenses at times. But like I said, it's really narrow that they will help. And that wraps up my video for today. Here are my references, and thank you for your time.